Dapat may onting pakipot na
Iyayain mo ako. Ganun.
Hindi ako ganun. Ayoko mag-push and pull. Ayoko magsayang ng oras. Pero pag no. Pero parang pag sinabi ko, gusto ko ito.
You just wanna do it. Gusto kita. Pero date tayo. Coffee and board games. Ganon. Road trip.
Coffee and board games. Ikaw yung board. Galawin ko board. I'm just kidding. Oh my god, -2 points on the dating on the dating chart. Shit. Okay, bago mag-offer, sana mag-redeem muna natin ang 16K. Oo nga, ang mahal ng 16K. Buti pa si Serge.
Bakit? What?
Bago mag-offer, sana ma-redeem muna natin ang 16K kasi kitain pa natin ulit. Pinaalala na naman sa akin yung ER.
Uy, kaya nga iniiwas ko yung topic. Kaya nga I went to this live eh. Pero you know, you don't need to keep like making it sense in your head like how much is it kasi you know, it's a better option. Health is a better option.
I wasn't until Dennis came in this live and reminded me once again. So, Paki.
No.
Bloody hell!
Bloody hell!
Bloody hell! Go fuck
you. What are you saying?
And yourself, yeah?
Australian. Bloody hell! Australian cockney. Bloody hell! Knobhead. No. Guys, ano mo work ko?
No muggle can speak to me. What?
Like, may nagtatanong, ano lang work ko? I work in the hospital po. That is long story short. Yes, Harry Potter.
Tapos na yung story mo?
Huh?
Tapos na yung story mo? You used to work in hospital? Inantay ko yung kasunod.
No.
Tapos na.
Di isang sentence lang. And I mean, I think that's enough. I don't want to feed people with a lot of information regarding personal information. Because yeah.
Okay.
Diba?
Hospital, sige. So, kailan ka uuwi, Serge? Hindi mo pwede sabihin? Dami mong sinabi, tas ang ending di mo pala sasabihin sa akin.
I-message ko sa'yo.
Diyos ko, ako nga sinasabi ko dito sa live kung kailan ako uuwi ng Korea, tas ikaw ayaw. Bakit may team airport ka ba? Gusto mo mag-print kami ng billboard? May t-shirts kami. Surge Natics. Gusto mo mag-Surge Natics kami na? Ano kulay ni Surge, guys? Brown. Yes, brown. He's a muted guy, yeah?
Brown.
What's the best time for happiness? Anytime is happy time.
Anytime. It's your decision.
Anytime is happy time. Sometimes it's 6 happy times.
Minsan 5:30. Ano oras na ba dyan? 10, 11. So mga 10, 12 ako magiging masaya. Yun yung happy time.
Ibang happy time talagang tinutukoy nila. Happiness is Dennis, ikaw talaga.
Okay. Did I cheer you up? Kasi kanina
sobra.
Kanina you were a bit blasé, like, you know, like halatang-halata na you just went from sickness and things, and like, you know, you don't know how to start.
Parang alam mo, parang my brain was like running so fast with all the things I was doing, like work and like everything, and then suddenly it shut down because of the ER, and now I can't kickstart the engines. Sobrang patay yung utak ko.
Well, the first thing that you can do is just like, you know, for your brain to release serotonin, diba? Kaya you need to be happy in order for it to kickstart that.
Paano yun? Nalungkot ako lalo sa mga advices mo, Serge.
Uy, grabe ka naman. It's it's retrospective. Uy, pag tayo na ban, di ba bawal
Hindi,
mag-ano?
nagpa-practice. Practice makes perfect, and perfect is happiness.
Uy, grabe. Uy. Prim and proper tayo. Prim and proper.
Serge, walang palusot dito. Gino dito. Ikaw na-caught off guard ka. Kala mo, ikaw lang talaga mag-interview dito. Ha?
Uy.
Oh, you did not. Yes, I did.
Yes,
Serge
you
said,
did.
la, 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 and he said, practice makes perfect. Let's see how fast the motors are from London. London bridges.
Oh my God.
Ang tangkad mo pala sa personal. Why do you guys think I'm small? That's the thing. I'm not tall, pero hindi rin ako
How
small.
tall are you?
Huh?
How tall are you?
Almost 5'10".
Ooh.
You thought I was small too.
No. I thought they were just like 5'7", 5'8". Like when I see it on the picture, I thought it's just gonna be roughly around that.
Oh.
Ngayon 5.
Ikaw, Serge.
5'6", 5'6" to 7.
Rawr!
Mukhang keychain. Pag tinabi sa'yo.
Grabe sa kitchen.
Pag tinabi sa'yo, mukhang keychain.
Para akong refrigerator, tas ikaw Skippy. Brown ka pa naman.
Brown. Yes.
Amo ko nakita yun. Oy, Serge, pahinga ka na din. Di ba kakauwi mo lang from work?
No, I'm right. Kakain pa lang ako and I'm gonna play games till like late in the evening.
Ayaw nga pala, anong oras pa lang dyan, no?
Yeah, it's still too early. Ikaw, you do wanna rest na?
Hindi ito parang nagmamakaawa yung mga tao ko. Ako kasi parang tulog lang ako ng tulog this past 2 days.
Yeah, nga.
Literally, sleep lang ng sleep. As in,
Yeah.
pagkagising ko, sobrang magang-maga yung mukha ko.
Yeah. Like, I can see where Gino is kasi galing siyang ER, galing siyang hospital. So, yung body clock niya and yung energy levels niya is not sync with his body right now. So, that's the reason why full of energy siya ngayon. Kasi puro rest lang siya. And hindi niya papagod.
Renji, ba't mo siya minute? Binabasa ko pa. Nag-Google Translator lang yung bata. Minute mo. Ay, nag-Google Translate. Ginamit lang, nag-comment lang siya in Hangul, Korean. Tapos minute agad netong moderator. Hindi naman siya bad word, Renji. Binabasa ko pa lang eh. Wendy, ano ka na? Ay, excited na ako makita si Serge.
Pupunta ka rin dito, di ba? UK. With your cousin. Pupunta ka din.
Cousin, no? Alone.
Okay.
My friend's there.
My friends there. Punta ka rin dito.
London.
Central din siya?
Oo.
Whereabouts in Central? You forgot?
Yeah, I forgot.
That's alright.
Oh my God, baka pwede kayo magkita. My God. Pero ang dami daw Pinoy sa London eh. Sobrang dami daw.
Daming Filipino stores din and everything. You'll never get hungry. Sobrang dami.
Is that a new place? Or yung
This
place
one?
mo
Yes,
yan?
Yeah, it's a new place. Yeah.
Kailan ka lang lumipat? You mean?
Nag-stop ako mag-TikTok noong November because I was like not planning to go here. Sa London.
Gets. That's why. Siya yung nagla-live.
Nagla-live?
Siya yung nagla-live sa account mo, di ba?
Nung this January lang yun.
Okay. Kaya ngayon nga, hindi pa dahil doon.
Hindi. Pumunta ako dito noong November. November ako.
Mas ka nagugulat. Kala mo naman tagong-tago ka. bakit ka nagugulat? Public talaga yung ginawa niya.
Hindi, I mean, di ako nagulat. Like, kasi sabi ko, November. And sabi mo, siya nagla-live. And I was like, hindi siya nagla-live nung November, di ba? Sa akin, this January lang. Parang may gusto ko itanong. Nakikita ko nangangata yung bibig
Wag
ko.
na, wag na.
Nakita ko yung yung pag-angat ng mo kanina. You're restraining yourself na.
Wala.
Yeah.
I shall not speak.
Pag-usapan natin.
Well, siya. Hindi talaga, oy Dennis, mabait ako. You guys always paint me as the villain. I'm very nice.
Yeah.
If you guys know me in person, why do you think ako yung favorite ng lahat? Ha? Bakit? Because I'm nice.
Humble tayo, boy.
Hindi ako ang layo ko sa humble. Basta ako. Like, for me to say I'm humble with my own mouth is not humbling, you know? Do you get it? Like,
the
me
humble
calling
is not
myself
humbling.
humble is not humbling.
No.
It's very contradicting, di ba? So, kayo nang bahala kung humble ako o mayabang ako. Basta ako, totoo ako. Diba? I miss all
Very
my...
genuine.
Oo, mahal na mahal ko siya.
Kailan ka kaya makapunta dito sa UP?
Oo nga legit. Pero Serge, yan yung pinaka-top goal ko this year. Feeling ko taglamig. Ayoko ng summer. Tsaka yung
Hindi
tag-ulan.
Summer dito is chilly as well. Malamig ang summer dito.
Chilly. I like you because I always root for the villain. You know what my personality test says?
Yeah.
I am I am anti-hero. I said this on my live, I think.
Yeah.
Anti-hero. Hindi daw ako villain. Hindi daw ako hero. I'm a anti-hero. Like, I'm kind of like Deadpool daw. Like, I'm savage. I'm very...
Chaotic good.
Chaotic, but, you know, I'm always on the good side of the conscience.
Yeah. Chaotic good ka.
They call... That's what my managers call me. Kasi dito sa management ko, we have this analysis eh. Parang para figure out nila kung ano yung personality mo bilang tao, ganun. Ano yung characteristics mo. And mine came out as the anti-hero.
Ooh.
I know, right? And I super agree.
I see. But you're telling that because a lot of people would paint you as a villain.
Yeah, people think I'm just a villain. I'm not a villain, guys.
He's Deadpool.
But I love villains. Villains are usually the sexier ones.
So true.
Yeah, heroes are kind of boring. They always have the ugly suits. They did.
Like 2 gig.
ESTP. I am a ENTJ.
Goody two shoes, yung laging false positivity yung mga heroes.
Ikaw, Serge, ano MBTI mo?
I actually didn't took that one yet.
Oh my god, I'm really curious.
I don't know.
We have the same MBTI, Dennis? Oh, wow, that's cool. That explains why we click. Feeling ko si Serge, do you want to take the test, Serge? Go to Google.
Yeah, sure.
Sige, send ko nga sa'yo yung link.
Is it saglit lang ba? Saglit lang ba siya?
Mga 10 minutes? 15 minutes?
I'll do it afterwards and tell you.
Oo.
On IG.
Feeling ko si Serge... you're obvious... Hindi ko alam kung introvert ka or extrovert eh.
I'm an extrovert.
Diba? Kasi I don't see you as complete
extrovert.
Introvert, oo. You are ES... No. ESF. I know you're F for sure. I feel like he's ESFP or ESFJ.
ESFJ, so it's extroverted, sensing, feelings, and judging.
Wow.
ESP. Observant.
You are TYTY. ESTP.
Grabe ka.
Kilig naman siya. Buisit ka din eh.
Uy, masama kilikin ba? I'll take this.
Yes, later. Just so we know you better. You being ENTJ explains your anti-heroic qualities. Just saying. I know, right? I'm very realistic. ENTJs. We're very... Actually, yeah. ENTJ, that's why when I'm with my friends, all of them are F and I'm just like T. Let's say everyone's crying about something, they're like, oh, oh. And I'm just like, so what are we gonna do about it? And they're gonna see me like, how could you say that? I'm like, yeah, I mean, it's already done. Let's move on. Very
I've done this
solution
before.
basis ako. Pero I know how to be an F if I want to. Lalo na pag mahal ko yung tao, guys. Just saying, Dennis, I'm not extreme T, okay? Siya yung extreme TT. TY.
Grabe ka naman.
You are, right? You are.
16 personal. Hindi naman.
Sobrang curious ako kay Serge. Feeling ko talaga ESFP or ESFJ or ENFJ.
Parang should I take the test now? No. Parang na-take ko na to before. With yung 16 personalities.
Baka di mo tinapos.
Like, there's like a personality.
It changes. Every 3 months or 6 months, ganun. Para siyang tarot card read.
Ano ko na to?
Do it again kasi your answers can change.
I see.
Later.
Later. Later. Oh my God.
Serge, kailangan mo i-screenshot yung result ha. Pag walang screenshot, hindi ako maniniwala.
Yeah. I'll do. I'm an open book naman. So, I'll send it to you.
Okay. Sobrang curious ako. Oh my God, Dennis, ENTJ ka din pala. My God. That's why they say ENTJs are the best workers. Because we're emotionless. We're like, okay, whatever. Let's get this done. Ganun daw.
ENTJ, okay. Extroversion, intuition, thinking, and judgment. I see.
Hi, Jules.
It's very rare for yung ENTJ preference are really, really rare type of people.
Huh? Sorry?
Yung people with ENTJ preference, they are really rare.
Really? Preference?
Yeah. Like when I open it, nakasulat doon rare personality ang ENTJ.
Oh.
On Google itself.
Oh.
Kaya siguro baka
Wala kaming bakit si Dennis may kabombaya every night? Tingnan mo, uwi ng Makati, tas ako wala. Iba yan, Serge. Ang cute ni Serge ba? I love how when Serge goes speechless dahil sa kadugyutan ko. It's just so fun.
Grabe naman sa doon.
Napatay. Dennis, ikaw talaga.
I don't know how to react though. I don't know what to do.
Yeah. Ang sarap talaga pag may kaibigan kang inosente tas dinadala mo sa
to the dark side.
Yes.
Come along with me to the dark side. I'm gonna lead the way.
Grabe ka naman sa dark side. Parang sinasabi mo na ano ako. Parang
Grabe ka
sinasabi
naman,
mo na
project.
ano ako. Paniki ako or something.
Who's your favorite superhero and super villain?
I love Hela
Oh, Hela.
and
The
Cruella.
Underworld. Cruella de Vil.
Yes.
Nice choices. Maganda.
Because Hela's got the voice.
Very
And
sultry.
Cruella's got the style.
Yeah, Cruella.
Sino pa?
Very evil yung mga gusto mo. No?
Cruella is not evil.
Chaotic
It was her boss that made her evil.
Very evil. Okay.
You saw the movie, right? It's my
Yes,
favorite.
Apologies.
Cruella. Hi, Sky. I'm a Cruella person too. Telling you, Dennis, we got something in common. We have to have coffee. Dennis, we should meet. Tas backstab natin si Serge kasi sobrang naiingit na. Ay, kaso may jowa ka din pala. Puto na ngayon. Ay!
Naghanap ng ng kasama. Kakampi, no?
Ang ending, wala rin.
You should enjoy being single.
I am actually. I am enjoying.
Yeah, that's nice.
Thank you so much. I get to talk to you guys like this. Because if I have jowa, like, fuck y'all. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Fuck y'all. I don't have no time for motherfuckering. I should be in Discord right now. No, I'm just kidding. That was a bad joke, guys. No. Y'all are lucky. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh my God.
Yes, I'm just kidding.
Lumabas yung self mo doon.
Intrusive.
Na-release mo.
Intrusive, shut up.
Yun po. Ganun po siya ka-willing magkaroon na ng jowa ngayon.
Bitch, like pay for my time. We don't have label. I saw you in one time in KCON, but I was too shy to approach you. Why were you shy? Sky, jowang-jowa na.
Like I think like so sa mga people na nakakita kay Gino on the streets or like on the random places, I reckon that Gino is really just approachable, so don't be shy.
Obra. Pero
Kaya
you ready for bardagulan, ha?
don't be shy.
Yes.
I can perceive it.
Dati, dati sobrang na-excite ko na. There was this one time where parang kakaroon ko lang ng fandom. Yung medyo first fame ko.
Yeah.
Sobrang tuwa ako. Nakagat ko yung fan ko, as in literal.
Kagat talaga.
Nakagat ko talaga kasi
Saan?
excite ako sa braso.
Ay, we.
Nagigil ako. Love language ko,
Mangagat.
Inuubos.
Uy. Grabe yung love language mo. Oh my God.
Kaya,
Like the first time that we talked on live, we were not this kind of like, very very chill tayo that before. Ayan, medyo
chill din naman tayo ngayon.
Hindi, I mean like
Sabi ni Ate Joy, katakot ka pala ma-meet, nangangagat. Okay lang. Ate Joy, fully vaccinated.
yung anti-rabies.
When you stop looking for love, that's when it finds you. Yes, I'll bite you. I will find you and I will bite you. Aso talaga. Ay.
Pag nag-date kayo, dapat malapit lang sa Pag nag-date kayo, dapat malapit lang sa St. Luke's.
Sino?
Para pag kinagat mo sila, may anti-rabies agad.
Kakagatin ko, tas magbabayad pa ako ng 16K. Wag na!
Bumalik na naman yung 16K niya. Hindi siya makamove on talaga.
Shawarma. Dennis talaga. Unang kita agad.
Saan siya?
Hindi, pero totoo yan. Nakagat ko siya sa I think Mega Mall yan. Sobrang cute niya. Nagigigil ako sa kanya. Tapos sinabi niya, kuya, ang cute mo. Sabi ko, cute mo na.
You're still talking to this person?
The fan?
Yes!
OG siya. Pero hindi, yung mga OG fans ko, like 7 years ago, they're like 27, 32, they're ganun na. So like, they're so busy. Yung iba nga may anak na, 3 na anak nila.
Pero they do frequently, then like, keep up to you or like message you out of the blue.
Out of the blue. Like Instagram. And it kind of makes me cry sometimes.
Like yung pang...
Parang nakakamiss. Kasi they remind me of my past. Yung parang nung time ko. They put me back in place. Like, parang up. You weren't that Jinho back then. Parang ganun.
I see.
After niya ma-vaccinate for anti-rabies, kinausap pa naman. Ay, sorry. Hindi yan.
Uy.
Hindi ikaw yan. Bakit kay Curdy hindi mo naman iniwan?
Ano? Ano ang sabi mo?
Wala. Hindi joke lang. Royari. Ilan nanonood dun?
Konti lang nanonood sa akin, like right now.
Siyempre, anong oras ngayon? OMG, Gino. Wow, Dennis, talaga. Sa'yo pa nang galing yung OMG.
OMG.
Hi, Remy Alice. Sabay si kayo magpa-vaccinate ni Podo. But it was a friendly bite. Don't you guys bite your friends? Do you bite your friends, sir? Ay,
no.
Sorry. Ako pag namahal ko talaga parang
nangahampas ako like physically, like yung playful na kurot and banter. Pero hindi naman yung
guys, hindi naman yung kagat yung talagang mapupunit yung balat nyo. Hindi naman parang ganon. Kagigil kayo parang ganon. Hindi kayo ganon, sorry. Maybe I'm weird.
I don't fight.
You know what, judge me.
No one's gonna judge you. It's like, it's your thing.
Wala lang lalapit. No one's gonna judge you.
Yeah, right. May perimeter. May perimeter tape.
I respect your taste, Jinho.
Jinho, back off. Cute.
Pero hindi ako ganun sa lahat. Talagang super close friends lang. Wag kayong feeling dyan. Malay nyo, maasim kayo. Grabe naman kayo.
Ay, totoo. Yun yung asim check. Literal. Pagkagat ni Jane Dobigal mo.
Panis na to? Hindi ako ayoko ma-foodboy. Ayoko ma-foodboy.
Ayaw 16K. Ayaw ng another 16K. Yung pagkagat niya sa Baydila.
Confirmed asa siya past life.
Really?
Gusto ko mag-UK. My God!
Go here.
Wow!
Like, I mean, plan it.
My joke. Wait lang, Serge. May label na ba kayo? Wala pa. Wala pa. Courting stage pa lang.
I'm trying to get to know, siguro. That's a question. I'm trying to get to know. Courting, getting to know. It's just for the reason that I'm
That's nice.
Because it's a different side of the planet. Like, you want to see the person before you confirm things, you finalize things.
I love Serge's mindset though. Take it slow. Sometimes slowly but surely is better, no?
Like I don't want to sound like pretentious, like, be like, oh, we're getting there na may ganito, may ganyan. But the thing is, you need to actually feel it while the person is in front of you. Like, I want to see his smile when he actually sees me on the first time. I want to relish that moment na parang, oy, we're on the same page. You'll instantly feel that you're going to be on the same page, di ba? And that is, doon na nyo mapag-uusapan what's going to happen. You don't want to force feelings, but you can actually improve relationships.
Totoo.
Sobrang pretentious naman na sobrang layo mo, then you're gonna be like, magiging kayo na bibigyan nyo ng labels but you haven't met in person. It's gonna be really, really difficult, di ba? Uy, sino to? Ay, si Dennis.
Sabi ko, pagod na ako mag-comment. I also want to talk now and yeah. Tapos you invited me.
Hi, Dennis.
Hello. Oh, hi, Serge.
Hello, Dennis. How are you? Kamusta Makati?
Good. Makati is okay. As far as I know, I'm not yet the mayor, but thank you for checking the city.
Serge,
Cool.
you got burnt.
No,
Yung humor ni Gino.
You got brains?
Kuha mo yung kuha mo yung humor ni Jinho.
Maybe it's because I've consumed too much Jinho already.
Which part?
Di ba
This is what you
kuha
get.
yung sarcasm ko?
This is what you get
yeah.
for making tambay sa TikTok ni Jinho.
You learn sarcasm.
Oh, you blaming your conscience on me now, huh? Okay.
Yeah.
I see you.
At least I don't bite my friends or gaslight
Right.
people into thinking.
Right, at least I
biting-
bite my friends on the arm, not on the It will not
I don't
Bitch, you dress like banana tonight. Shut up.
Yung banana. Minion siya ngayon. Minion siya ngayon.
Hindi pa siya hinog.
I cannot.
Siya yung banana, ito yung banana leaf.
Okay, so who's banana? Who's bananas inside pajamas?
B1 and B2.
That sounded so weird.
Yes. Serge feels so uncomfortable right now. This is not his genre.
I'm so sorry, Serge.
That's
You're
alright, that's
dominated by
alright.
ENTJs today.
Let's see. I'm taking the test now.
Okay. Take the test now para malaman namin whose banana you last ate. What? I'm sorry. Like,
Uy, no.
what
no.
color? Which color of banana yun?
Brown.
Is it peeled? No!
Uy.
Shut up! No, stop it. No.
It's peeled. Was it raw?
Pagod si Gina.
I'm sorry, Serge. Di ba? Dalawang Englishero, pero OA na OA yung isa.
That's alright. Don't worry about it. Don't need to apologize.
Oh my God. Oh, so long.
Ang haba pala nito. I'll just do it later. It's just like...
Eme.
Uy, ang haba.
Eme.
Ang haba nito.
Mahaba, mataba. Hindi yung...
Sabi ko yung test, mahaba. Paano tumaba yung test? Explain, expound.
Ako yung test na mo.
Ay,
Sabi ni Serge, oh, makes sense. Oh, fuck.
makes sense.
Ay. Okay. Oh my God, ang sakit ng chan ko. Dennis, wait. Are you like, half ka ba? Di ba?
No, I'm 1/4. 1/4 Chinese.
Hindi, pero, how do you say, ano yung proper term, sir? Kasi yung humor ni Dennis, very
What?
Sorry. Expensive.
Aircon?
Would you, like,
Is it very elite?
it's between like Ateneo pero lumaki sa kanal na Ateneo. The way
Ateneo
Kaya
Side.
pala ang taga niya magsalita kasi he was looking for a less offensive term to describe
Oh,
it.
I
yeah.
didn't want to say fake rich, so I just said
So you said Ateneo and Canal. Okay. Two contrasting things. Thank you.
okay na yan, kanal ng Ateneo yan. Kesa naman Intramuros, napakadugyot sa amin.
Ateneo by
Oo.
side yung
Oo.
humor niya.
Like, brainy siya, pero kanal
Yeah.
humor. Love it.
Rush yung term. Like,
So, go signal na yun para i-take ko yun as a compliment.
yeah,
I
probably.
mean, I could care less.
Nice. Nice
If that's
response.
the humor.
You slay with the materials. Okay, you slay. Oh, love it. Love that for you. Right.
But not for
parang
me,
siyang,
though.
yung humor niya parang socialite na brush na straightforward.
Oh. Oh.
Ano na lang? Okay na lang? Okay na lang? Oh. Eche. Huh?
Yes, correct answer, sir. +5. Surge is not surging right. Serge, are you okay?
I'm okay. Because I just took one of the headset right now.
Okay. And one of Waki's admin, that explains. Bitch, that explains.
Who told you? Who snitched on me?
It's
Who's?
AA.
AA.
Mukhang
Waki
may
sa amin.
black sa live ni Okay. Admin pala. I'm not... He's rich talaga. I know he's rich. He comes to Makati like it's Cubao. Like, obviously. I didn't even go Cubao this often, ha?
Ooh.
I'm not rich. Maybe my dad's a pilot. Tapos he pays.
My dad's a pilot.
Wait, that's a pilot.
Mika?
Child of a pilot.
Di mo alam baka aswang ako.
Di ba si Dennis yung malaki magigift kay Lawaki? Malaking gifter.
Malaking gifter siya. Ay,
Serge din, malaking gifter.
Malaki lang, pero hindi
Finger-
gifter.
ano daw?
Play that sword, warrior.
What?
Kapatid niya ata yun, di ba? Sino? Kapatid mo siya? Hindi.
Sino?
Bakit ang daming speculations bigla? Umakyat lang si Dennis.
What's the speculations? Kapatid mo daw, Gino, si Dennis?
Hindi, kapatid niya daw. Sino? Kapatid niya. Kapatid mo si Waki?
Thank you kasi hindi ko alam
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you hindi kasi ako aware kapatid
Buti
ko pala.
na-inform nyo siya. Buti
Guys, I don't care kung kaninong admin man siya, kung rich man siya, or kanal man siya, Ateneo man siya. Basta we vibe. I don't care.
Real.
Diba? Kahit balutin niya sarili niya, diba? I don't care sa gifts niya. Diba? Ay, diba? Kagaya ni Serge. Si Serge first ko nakilala dahil sa Finger Olympics eh. Champion.
Hello.
Ibang... Hello, ganun. Ay, Joanne. Kailan ka babalik, Dennis? Or is there any point of me asking you that? Kasi babalik ka din naman.
Real. I don't think so. I'll be back ng March 3rd. Tas fly ulit ng 13th.
Oh my God. So ano yan?
What do you do?
What do you do?
What do you mean, what do I do?
I mean,
Makati?
obviously, work from home si Dennis.
Yeah, I work from home.
Like,
But
is it for,
you mean, do I travel for work? Is that what you mean?
like, I mean, yeah, why are you traveling? Because the thing is, like, Gino Bay actually brought it up, so I'm just wondering if, like, why are you traveling? What's the reason for traveling and whereabouts?
I travel because I feel like I enjoy it here.
What kind of enjoy are we talking about here, Dennis?
Something Serge wouldn't appreciate if I say it.
I like pills. I like Don't cheat. Say it. I mean, I like pills.
Like
No, my
this one.
friends are here.
Okay. Is that wait? So place mo yan or your friend's place?
No, this is my friend's place that I rent when I'm here.
Parang
You
Airbnb.
just go back and forth.
Yeah.
Like, yeah.
Grabe. Nahiya ka pa mag-rent ng entire.
Na entire place. No?
Kaya nga, di ba?
Bakit
By
parang
the way.
kasalanan mag-travel ng every 2 weeks?
Di ba? Sa bagay, di ba? Bakit kayo nahihiyalam sa gastos niya? Kung gusto niya magbumastos,
That's
go.
his life.
Di ba? Yung isa nga uuwi pa eh. Yung isa nga uuwi pa nga galing UK. Oo nga naman.
Yun ang enjoyment.
Uyak, uyak.
Yes, laglagan na to, guys.
May message ako, Gino.
Baka puta mo, manahimik ka na.
Mumurahin ka niya. Huwag mo munang sabihin
No.
price yun.
No,
Oh my God. I love talking.
tumahimik si Jen. Yeah.
yung message niya, ibabalik ko yung 16K mo, wag ka lang maingay.
Serge, I'm so sorry. I would like to make a public apology.
This is on me. I want to amend
I
all
won't
those
do
things that I have
anything.
said in the live.
Treat me like your dog. Rawr, rawr, rawr.
Ah,
Okay.
yeah.
Sakto.
Yeah.
Si Dennis mukha kang Koreano. Ay,
Yeah.
sorry.
Like the complexion is giving.
He looks like this Korean YouTuber I know.
Who?
I'll show you guys. Kaso, baka ma-offend, wag na.
Parang, yung nakatayo.
Minura mo na ako kanina, tapos meron ka pang impression na baka ma-offend ako.
Hindi, ang weird kasi sa pakiramdam na sinasabihan ka, kamukha mo, ganun ko, kamukha mo, ano ko. Tapos pag pinakita mo, ay,
Gaganyan ka.
kuya, kamukha mo, kuya ko, sobrang gwapo niya. Tapos sabi ko, uy, oo, ito yung itsura niya. Tapos,
Like,
sabi ko, hindi ko alam kung sino yung mas masama dito, yung mukha ng kuya niya or siya. Yung, alam mo yung parang, gigigil ako.
hello. Napagod tumawa. Like kanina, nagdalawa lang kami ni Dennis yung nagko-comment regarding about like, yung mega tuna.
Yung mega tuna. Tsaka lettuce and what's the other one?
Kasi ba naman,
From Rasta.
sabi ni Gina, like, this is the leak, I brought it from Rustans. Wow.
Sabi lang naman,
Rustans
diba?
siya.
Parang ang thick ng leek.
kasi sa power plant ako kanina, work.
So Dennis
Hindi
yung
ko
nag-comment.
talaga nag-grocery sa Rastan.
Pero sa tutulong, napakamahal ng Rustans.
Yeah.
Ba't
Sobrang
ang galing yung lettuce?
Bumili lang ako ng ilan gulay, 2,000 yung gagas. 2 kilo na chicken thigh, ha? Tapos I bought like few gulay.
Kaya pala pinaflex niya kanina.
Oo.
I brought leeks from Rustans, ha?
Yes.
Para man lang makagain ng clout.
I will flex my big and fat leaks. Okay?
Oh,
That I paid for, that I worked for. I will flex it.
Big and fat. Quote that.
Big and fat.
Big and fat.
Hindi ba kamukha niya, no?
Si Dennis. Si Dennis Lo.
Kamukha niya, di ba?
Gusto ko yung mata lang yung nakikita namin.
Hindi niya ba kamukha?
Complexion-wise, probably.
Hindi talaga namin nakita entirely.
Bangs lang nakita ko.
Totoo.
Taas mo pa.
Ayaw nga pala.
Yan. How would you say? Anong i-react mo, Dennis?
I don't see it. Maybe because it's me.
My resemblance. Someone actually messaged my resemblance. You do have certain resemblance. According to my viewer.
Kaya magreklamo, gwapong-gwapo to.
Hindi naman ako nagre-reklamo. Gabi naman. So ako na naman yung masama.
Kasalanan mo, gwapo ka! Yes! Gwapo! Yeah! Ino ka! Aga-aga!
Nalampal.
Oo, yung ako nga sabi.
Pinisprayan ko.
Sprayan yung mata ko.
Yung pinispray.
Oh my God. Serge, ikaw talaga yung nasa tamang timeline. Ikaw pa yung pinakapagod sa amin. Mag-7 a.m. na dito, ikaw pa yung pagod.
Oo.
Parang drain ka sa energy namin, Serge.
Oh, no, I'm not. I'm alright. I'm just retrospecting.
Ay, wey.
Anong isasagot sa retrospecting?
I
Go.
horoscope.
Horoscope.
Ano ba yung retrospecting? Okay.
So
Introspecting.
retrospecting is like stepping back and reading the room before we can go in.
Okay. What's the read?
Huh? What's the read?
Spell the room.
Spell the room. You have the same the same set of humor, the similarity, the attitude and behavior. Like it's very clicking.
Actually, my humor depends who I talk to.
Oh.
Yeah.
So pinaplas.
Ako. Hindi.
You humor.
Promise, ganun ako.
Yeah. I see. You adjust.
Yes. Pag kanal-kanal. Pag mahal, pag social.
Mine depends on materials I consume. So since I always make tambay on Jinho's TikTok.
Hoy, ngayon ka lang talaga dumaan ulit, hayop ka.
So how long have you known Dennis then?
Let me retrospect, okay? He's an asshole. You an asshole! Okay.
Umatras talaga siya. Okay.
I read the room. You're an asshole. No. Parang kailan lang, no? Nung dumaan si Kaloy dito sa bahay ko. Diba? That was just literally this month lang. Early this month.
You met him in person na?
No?
No, not yet.
First time lang today.
And maybe we kind of talked to each other because he was planning to go to Bacolod. That's my problem.
Yun nga eh, ang problema, pag nasa Bacolod ako, wala ka dun for sure, nasa Makati ka.
Kaya I have to inform me ahead of time.
You plan.
Gusto ko yung magkatabi nga lang tayo sa city, Taguig ako, Makati ka, tapos sa Bacolod pa tayo magkita na hindi mo alam kung kailan ka nandun. I-inform pa kita kung kailan ako nasa bahay mo. Like, what setup is that? Yeah. Yeah, I love crazy friends.
Are you implying I'm crazy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got the message clear and loud and right.
I'm agreeing with Gino what he said. I'm just agreeing with Gino what he said.
Grabe yung certainty and conviction ni Serge when he agreed yes.
Sorry.
Yes. Maybe you could introspect.
Let me
retrospect and read the roof.
Read the room. You're crazy.
You're crazy.
Let me retrospect.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're judgmental.
Di ba introspect yan pag sarili na yung ano?
Sarili.
Oo.
Introspect. Pero retrospect other things.
Oo.
Yun.
Si ano kasi
Bakit tumawa, no?
Introspect yan eh. Yung isa naman, Curtiti. Ewan ko sa'yo, ito spec-pec ng spec-pec yung isa, tapos yung isa din. Hi, good morning guys, Jaja. Like, nothing happened. Hello.
Biglang ba?
Biglang na ba? AI summary. Host apologizes for misunderstanding.
Saan nyo nakikita yung AI
Nakakatuwa
summary?
tong AI summary. Hindi ba lumalabas sa'yo?
No, because I'm using like TikTok Live on computer. I don't use it on a cell phone.
Okay.
Cellphone, if you do, may AI summary. Parang nagsasummarize nung AI what your life is currently about.
Okay.
Tapos nakalagay dito, host apologizes for misunderstanding. Okay. Ay, nako, buti wala kang work niyan, Dennis.
Actually, meron, pero out ka na in 4 minutes.
Wow. So matutulog ka niyan. Grave shift ka talaga.
Yeah.
Ay, grabe naman ang atay.
Pagod talaga yan.
Oo. Saan yung ano mo? Saan yung baby boom mo?
Saan yung?
Sabi mo, baby. Di ba may ano ka dyan?
He's not here. He's in QC.
Layo naman!
Ay, ba't desisyon ka naman? Ilipat natin yung
Gusto ko magkatabi kayo.
Well, he was here 2 nights ago. Pero he has work too, so...
Sir, saan yung sayo?
Natawa siya.
QC rin?
Hindi. Malayo po.
Bulay
Alam mo ba
Ken?
kung taga saan siya? I think he is from Caloocan.
You think he is? You know where he is. Hindi nagsasabi nito.
Ba't ka
Huwag
nagagalit?
mo akong ginaganyan, Serge. We
Why
spoke
are you
about so
taking
many
offense?
things.
Why are you taking offense? Why are you
Eh,
getting
so ang dami
angry?
mong eme.
Grabe ka sa dami ng eme.
Feeling ko si Serge, basang-basa niya ako. Kaya natatakot ako sa kanya.
Why? Alam mo naman. Basang-basa. Like, you hate being read. You hate being, like, observed.
Hindi naman. Kasi usually I do it better.
You look creepy.
Because if
That
you
was
think you read me until page 3, bitch, I've finished your book.
6.
Bitch, I wrote a thesis about you already.
Yeah.
I have papers for defense ready. No, I'm just kidding. Pero wala lang, parang, alam mo kasi, mahirap ako basahin, Serge.
Yeah. Mm.
People think I'm very easy to read, but actually, I'm very hard. It's not that I'm closing the door, pero, ewan ko, people find me very hard to read and analyze.
It's just because I think that you're just letting people read you and how you want to be read in front of them. Like you're just opening like certain pages for the certain type of people. You're not opening the whole book in front of them.
Do you think that's
And
my
you just
boundaries?
Yeah. You just
You,
project
you
things.
choose what to show.
Yeah. And that's a strength as well. Because the thing is, you need
Nakakatakot
to
tong
be-
dalawang to. Parang mas kilala pa nila ako kaysa
But
sa
that's real though, because that's perception management, and it's a good
Yeah.
thing. It's a good thing when you have perception management. So
Kasi you need to keep informations about yourself. Because the thing is, information is a valuable thing. People can either make you or break you. So you don't need to feed everyone's information regarding about you.
Do you think I'm playing it safe?
No, it's not. It's a different thing. Playing safe and being like, knowing what to say, knowing what to show with other people, that's an entirely different kind of thing. And yung the latter part, what you're doing, that's a strength because you know who you are, you know what you want to like tell people, you know what you're just gonna be
Nakakatakot naman
portraying.
tong dalawang to. Napakatalino.
Uy, wow.
Hindi, pero feeling ko talaga, I rarely see people like you both na
So,
parang
Very
medyo
poker
nababasa niyo ako. Oh, promise, I swear. Not even my closest friends read me as well as you guys. Really.
it's because it's common for extroverted people. Extroverted people are very difficult to read because of their openness and because of how outspoken
Yeah.
they are. But it's just they choose what to show, and it's not a bad thing. It's not a weakness. It's a strength, actually.
Oh. Wow. I love
That's
that
one.
theory. I love that concept. Wow. Actually, yes, it's what I chose to show, what I choose to show.
Yeah.
And not that I'm being fake, pero I feel like there are certain personalities of mine na ipapakita ko sa taong ito versus taong ito. Taong ito. Kasi alam ko ano ang magugustuhan nila versus ayaw nila.
Yeah. Yeah. Because it would fit with them perfectly on that certain scenario, diba? That's the reason why you're showing it to them. Because the thing is, why would you show things that they actually don't like, or like, you're not gonna cause an argument, diba?
And you know what that boils down to? Me adjusting. Because I'm choosing what to show them based on their likings. That's why people rarely read what I don't like.
Yeah.
What I like.
Because they don't know about
Also,
you.
theoretically, it may come from your past people-pleasing tendencies that have grown into an adult now.
Yes, because I
Probably.
realize it kind of became my defense mechanism na parang it's better to please them to have them please me. Parang na mas naging ano ko siya. Dati hindi ako people pleaser nung bata pa ako. Talagang go around, like I don't care. Tapos naging people pleaser ako and now I'm going back to that. I don't care ulit.
Naging core mo siya dati.
Yeah.
That kind of mindset.
Parang I kept choosing peace and peace kind of became like, you know what, just give them what they want, kind of.
Because it's really difficult when you keep adjusting and adjusting and adjusting. You're gonna meet a lot of people, and you keep adjusting. It's gonna drain you totally. And you know what? You know what's not draining is being true to yourself. If not giving a fuck is your true self.
I also think the Jinho's part though, it doesn't become as tedious anymore because
Yeah.
he had it as a habit ever since. So like right now, it doesn't take off much effort from him when he shows certain personalities because it's what he does.
He's used to it.
Yeah.
It's a skill now at this point. It's not just a habit, it's a skill now. His skill was like, I'm just showing the page 3 of my life to you because this is the page 3 that you're gonna like.
This is all you see. And you live here.
You don't know me.
Illuminati.
May plot twist.
Yes. Wait lang, may tawag ako si Beyonce. Hindi ka!
Beyond.
Magkakape kami ni Lady Gaga at saka si Beyonce mamay.
Anong personality papakita mo?
Right. This is diva.
Kay Lady Gaga at saka kay Beyonce.
Wala,
Yes.
kagahan. Pero good to know na sana ma-meet ko kayo lahat sa personal.
I'm gonna definitely meet you
Feeling ko si
sooner
Dennis.
than expected.
Paano ka sa personal, Dennis?
Ganito lang din.
Nakadilaw
Dapat
pa
na
rin.
nag-iiba.
Nakadilaw.
I haven't met an same ENTJ. Never.
Me too. Like, this is the first time I've met someone who's ENTJ.
Me too. Never.
And
That's
maybe
what
that
really
was the
scared.
point. Because Serge said it was rare. Diba, pero kanina earlier I heard
Yeah.
Serge saying ENTJs are rare. And maybe that made sense when you said you haven't met anyone.
I haven't met any ENTJ.
Well, the thing is, like, I've seen it earlier that says, like, in global common population amongst the survey, roughly about 2% is ENTJ.
Oh my god, we're
So
endangered.
98%.
We're endangered. Oh my gosh.
2% lang.
ENTJ lives matter.
You made it sound like it's a racial thing.
I'm just saying we deserve more than 2%. Jeez.
Okay, let's recruit more ENTJs.
Pero feeling ko ENTJs, we're fun when we're around each other, pero we're independent.
Real. And we're often misunderstood then.
Totoo. I'm curious ako. Ikaw, ano yung hula mo kay Serge?
Like, I'm reading about, ENTJ. I'm just gonna send you the page about it. Like, where it says, like, it's only, like, 1.8% of the population is ENTJ.
I feel like Serge is an INFJ.
IN? I'm not... Is it
Siya,
IN?
very extrovert yan.
Totoo?
Yeah.
Kasi extrovert's not about being, like noisy eh.
Real.
Externally loud.
Sociable.
Oo.
You
Serge
can count
kahit
like being
sino,
sociable.
marunong siya makisama.
ENTJ.
Baka ENTJ ka din. But I feel like you're more of an F than a T, Serge.
Yes, that's what I said. That's why I said parang it's either ESFJ or ENFJ.
Yeah, I think I'm an F as well. Pero yung last bit, I don't know what's gonna be like my last bit though.
Feeling ko J ka.
Kami mag-decide for you.
Kayo na nag-decide. So, hindi na ako magte-take ng test.
Hindi kasi the fact
Sulat
na
mo
Serge is very planned and he's organized, it's feeling ko J siya.
Yeah. I'm just looking at the overviews.
Kaya to jobs.
Baka ENTJ din ako. Because I was reading the words that describe you guys, ENTJ. It clicks with me as well. Like, you
Really?
are planned, analytical, energetic, logical, structured, consistent, expressive, direct, enthusiastic.
Hindi ka direct eh.
Outspoken.
Hindi ka direct. Mabait ka.
I know.
You cannot sit with the beaches.
Well,
You have to be, you have to,
I cannot
like,
sit with you guys.
I can feel an ENTJ when I see one. And si Dennis, the moment he said ENTJ, I was like, makes sense.
Yeah, it clicks.
Serge, what he's trying to say is you're a better person than us, okay? That's what he's trying to say.
Hindi ako in there, Jerry.
You're a better person.
You're ESFJ or ENFJ.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Pero you know, I really wish Serge can take the test. Mahaba yan.
Mahaba nga.
You don't enjoy
Mahaba
mahaba,
talaga.
Serge?
I can handle mahaba.
Oh. Yeah, it just takes time. But
Yeah.
With the right material.
material.
With the right material.
With the patience and tolerance.
With the right guidance. And as long as you take the right path.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. The drain.
Right. Serge be like, yeah.
May nagsabi na, grabe nagsama-sama ang tatlong brainy. They are brainy lang. Hindi ako kasama. I'm brainy.
May talaga sobrang. Diba, Dennis? Diba?
Galing mo dyan. Kaya INFP.
Galing.
Eme.
Okay. Hi, Kyrol.
MAO Surge. Pero like, yung parang si Gino, like, when we were talking, like, since earlier, when his stories, like, starts unfolding, and, like, he started realizing things as well, like, it's really, like, fascinating.
I know, right?
Because he himself, diba, like, he
It
knows
is.
that he's just, like, showing things in front, like, which kind of facade. It's not facade, it's which part of the story that is gonna be showing to the different type of people. And it's very, very rare for a person to have that kind of skill set.
And that's why his digital career is flourishing. That's because of...
Yeah, I agree.
Parang sinasabi niya na ang sobrang fake mo, ang galing mo magpakita ng gusto ng mga tao. Kaya gusto ka ng mga tao.
Kaya
Alam mo, Dennis,
Wait,
retrospect.
Retrospect, wait. Fuck you.
retrospect.
Retrospect. Fuck you.
Exactly.
Yun na yung mga findings niya after retrospecting.
Retrospect.
Retrospect you. Peck you ka. Oh my God, nakakatawa. Pero yeah, feeling ko yung pagiging yung selective sa mga pinapakita ko, it's not from a faking, but it's more of I don't want any argument, so I tend to show what they wanna see. Because if I show, but don't get me wrong, I show my ugly sides to people who I know could handle it, and these are like not even hindi kasya sa 5 daliri. Like feeling ko like 3 lang sila. Or
Ay, kasi yung 5.
Oh,
like, I mean, hindi lalagpas. I mean, sorry.
hindi lalagpas ka siya.
Iba pala yung kasya ng 5 sa'yo.
Hindi ikakasya ang 5.
Fisting nyawa ka. Fisting. Good morning, guys! Have a fisting morning.
Finger lang pinag-usama kanina.
Ay, sinakyan ni Serge yung joke mo. That should be an achievement.
What did he say? I was
Thank
trying
you for the sarcasm, Dennis.
Sabi niya,
I appreciate that.
Fisting na daw ngayon, pero kanina fingers lang pinag-uusapan.
Oh, huwag mo na ulitin.
Yes, sir.
Pass by.
Serge, baka mamaya magagalit si sabi niya, dinumihan niyo yung ko. Natumihan yung Diba? Baka mamaya na natin, na stain natin. Ang bait-bait pa naman ni Serge.
So tayo na naman ang masama.
Kayo na namin yung masama.
Aminin natin, retrospect.
Respect.
Masama tayo, B.
Masama tayo. Yung bago ka naman ginagawa.
Tanggap. Alangan si Serge pa yung masama dito.
Yes ko na yan.
Diba? My God. Kita tayo soon, guys.
Ay, malapit na ako matapos. It's 80% na.
Yung?
What are you doing?
Yung
It's
test.
the test. The test.
The test.
80%?
I'm like looking at you guys. I'm like talking to you. I'm just and answering.
Sige,
them as
tapusin mo
well.
na yan para makatulog ako after. Go.
Okay, multitasker.
Oh my God, I'm so curious. My gosh. Yung ano mo, Baba Labs mo, anong MBTI niya?
I haven't actually asked them.
Oh my God, can you try? So that alam ko, baka mamaya yun yung compatible sa akin, yan na lang hanapin ko.
Oh God.
What if?
Yun yung requirements.
Ito,
MBTI.
Serge, sumagot ka na, Serge.
Okay.
Pinagalitan.
Ito, nakikichismis pa dito. Ikaw na nga
Kaya
lang
hindi
naantay,
20% na lang, oh.
So that me is ENFP.
Oh, you're a P!
You're a P.
What's P? Perspecting? ENFP.
Ooh.
What's with the P? What do you mean P?
Real?
Judgment, ano yun? Basta pag P, spontaneous ka.
Oh, that's like
You're adventurous, you're very
Yeah, I
spontaneous.
do. Prospecting traits.
Ooh, you're P.
Is that good or not? I don't know.
Walang good or bad.
I mean,
Wala naman. Gabi ka naman.
I mean, is it good that you're not? Is it good that you're not saying it from me? Like, because the thing is, you're
Wow, if you're ENFP, wow. Because here's the thing, ENFP, they're energy balls.
Oh,
They are they're the sunshines in most,
really?
social occasions. Sila yung friendly sa lahat, pero sila din yung emotional.
I see.
And they're optimistic too, because you always find a reason to turn negative things or to see silver lining in negative things.
Well, thank you for that silver lining. Yeah, I
Wow.
often
No. ENFP is a really good,
Yeah.
Pero ENFP ang iniiwasan ng mga introverts in Korea. Kasi sila talaga yung kakausapin mo sila ng kakausapin mo.
ANFP.
Oh.
So I drain introverts.
Di naman. Wait, how much of a E are you? May percentage din
Like
yan.
a percentage.
I-screenshot mo nga.
My E is 65%.
Okay.
My I is 68. F is 74.
Ano,
Actually,
yung E mo 65 tapos I mo 68?
hindi. Intuitive, di ba?
Ah,
Like, I
N?
listen to-
N.
N, yeah. N. And feeling is 74.
74, o di ba? F siya.
P is 57, so I think...
Oh, so it's
That's
close to 50-50. That's why we thought you were a J.
Ako J, ako
57.
extreme. Pero sa travel, hindi ako J.
So I'm on the middle line of J then. Pala.
Yeah.
So,
Feeling
Next
ko,
to Agaw JNP.
feeling ko ikaw din parang nasa borderline ka pag trabaho. Kasi may yun parang usually pag trabaho organized. Ako kasi pag like vacation trips, I don't like to plan things eh.
Yeah, me too.
That's when I turn P. Kaya medyo half-half. Yung E ko, 58%.
58, mas mataas yung sa ako. 65.
Oo. Tapos yung I ko is 42%. So I'm a ambivert. Like I need to recharge. I took mine last week again. ENTJ pa rin ako.
Yeah, every time I take it, parang every 6 months I make it a habit to take mine. Tapos ENTJ lang ako lagi.
Ako minsan nga, binabago ko pa rin talaga. Wala din talaga.
Pinipilit mo na baguhin. So my strengths are, you are highly empathetic, authentic communication, bringing excitement, adaptability. My weakness is I'm overly idealistic, emotionally intensity, avoiding conflict, and need for independence.
Surge. I feel like that's so true.
Yeah, I feel too as well. Like I avoid conflicts and yung emotional.
Guys, MBTI tests are not horoscopes, so it makes sense, okay,
Yeah.
more than horoscopes and blood types.
Real. And
And
also because
zodiac
you
signs.
take it. Because you take it. So the data is coming from how you assess and evaluate yourself versus
Okay.
basing it on stars.
Yes.
It's a Miles Briggs tool.
Oh my God, Serge, you're ENFP. Oh my God, di ko in-expect.
Di ko in-expect lang yung T.
Pero
Pero
tama yung sinabi ko, ENFJ or ESFJ, di ba? Sabi ko, oh,
Yeah.
What's the S?
S is more, so N is very, parang, ma-imagine
So, N-
ka sa scenario eh. Intuitive.
Yeah, but
See?
S is more realistic.
Observant.
So parang they
Kunwari.
focus on facts and the details.
Like,
That's
easily
past
put,
experiences.
look at the sky right now and tell us how you feel about the blue sky. An S would say, oh, the weather today is nice.
Mm.
Because that's what they see.
Yeah.
That's the realistic answer, di ba? Pero a N would answer like, oh, the sky's so beautiful. The clouds remind me of cotton candies.
Like
That's
they're more
very
super
ano ka.
smart analogy, Gino. I love it.
That's how
very-
you yeah.
they're very
How people would
abstract
say
when
it,
it comes
yes.
to like expressing.
Yes, and a T and F difference is like
Mhm.
T and F difference is like your best friend comes to you and says, I went through parang may problema ako kaya
Yeah.
for a change of mood nagpagupit ako kaya ako nag-bob cut bigla. Like and her hair was for example Rapunzel long ha. An F would say, ano yung problema mo? Ano nangyari sa'yo? A T would say, ang ganda ng bob cut sa'yo. Do you get it? Like, ikaw
Yeah,
una
yeah,
mo yung emotion. Kami, kung anong
yeah.
una makita namin. Bakit bobcat? O kaya, uy, bagay sa'yo ah.
It's
Yes,
nice
mo?
though. Like, cause that's very me.
Yeah.
Hindi naman kami nag-doubt sa F.
Then, but
Oo,
that's-
yun, dun lang kami sigurado.
I'm sure sa F.
Kasi dun ka mabait.
Saka E, because you said you're an extrovert. So yes,
Yeah.
E.
Oo.
Pero yung F talaga we were sure.
I see. That's really nice to know. Intuitive. I see.
Si Dennis kasi, hindi mo alam psychology grad ako.
Oh, real?
Yes.
Yeah,
I
mentioned it to the flag before.
I've tried
Like
applying the
something.
real MBTI test before. The real MBTI test is so long. Like,
Couple
But
pages.
is it more accurate than the ones we take?
it's more accurate.
It should do. Because you got a lot more questions.
Pero sabi nila, it changes over time. The question changes dapat over time. Ang dami
Okay.
na quiz nun.
Kaya ENFP ko si Iron Man.
Yung
Alam
totoo
mo, just ba-
sana.
Who are famous ENTJ?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Steve Jobs,
Steve Jobs.
Oh my God, that robot.
Adele.
Ooh.
Grabe, dapat puro naman parang Julius Caesar, Franklin Roosevelt,
Puro
Bill
patay.
Gates. Aristotle is an ENTJ. Did Aristotle took the test then in the past?
Jim Carrey. Kaya nga yung Julius Caesar.
Grabe naman yung famous
Alam na
ENTJs.
nila.
Aristotle. Oh,
Rebulto talaga siya.
bumalik siya, sabi niya, babalik ako, I'll just take the test.
Gordon Ramsay. Oh my God. I can see Gordon Ramsay in me. Oh my God.
Do you also have perfectionism tendencies?
Too much.
Oh, yeah.
Too much. Sometimes I'm like, fuck, is it even worth it? Gino,
Yeah.
stop! Ganun ako. Kinakausap ko sarili ko minsan. Like, sobrang liit na bagay.
You
And
humble yourself with
I'm so fixated on perfecting it.
Yeah.
Wala. Minsan, it's just a CV. It's just a poster. It's just a simple thumbnail. And I need to make it high quality. Parang,
Ay, may alarm.
No. It's just my Airbuds.
Your earbud singing? What happened to it?
Hmm?
Ano ba yun, Serge?
It was in my mouth.
Serge, it's time to wake him up. Ikaw ba yung alarm niya? Ang cute naman.
Because it's 7:23 na sa Philippines, Serge.
Uy, no.
He
Grabe ka.
has to wake up.
Sabi niya, love, wake me up at 7:30.
Uy! That was, walang ganon.
Ganun yun eh.
Walang ganon. Grabe ka, walang ganon. It's
But
just
yung
like
mga-
I was using my AirPods, like, you know, like the battery went off. That's the reason why I took it off.
Okay, Serge, we understand. We listen and we don't.
Don't judge
Judge.
what I did. So sorry.
But you already did, guys. Too late.
Sorry. Sorry, Jay, kasi kami.
Yeah, sorry naman. Like,
Bakit yung mga characters ng ENTJ puro billionaire or patay na?
So saan tayo dito? Yung mamamatay or yung magiging billionaire?
Kaya tingnan mo, Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, tapos Steve Jobs, they're all billionaires.
Real, alam. Sana maging billionaire.
Oh my God.
puro mga actors yung ENFP.
Oh, there's a lot of famous
Because
ENTJs.
they're the life of the party, so that makes sense.
Probably makes sense, diba? I see. Campaign.
Doja Cat,
Doja Cat is an ENTJ?
ENFP.
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 Ano, Serge? Si Taeyong ng BTS.
Yeah. Taeyong.
Yes.
Jun as well.
John Lennon, Kanye West.
I searched famous ENFPs and it showed me Ariel, the Little Mermaid. Ariel is an ENFP because Disney.
She's the Lulu na.
Di ba meron pa yung last letter, yung T or A?
Yeah. Assertive or ano?
Assertive or turbulent?
Yes.
Feeling ko parehas kayo T.
Yeah, I think T yung lumabas sa akin.
Yeah, me too. I'm an ENTJ too.
T din yung akin. Pero it's like 54% now. Nice. I'm just reading it. Okay, parang kanina naghanap tayo ng kamatch ni Jin Ho.
Okay.
How's like the dating?
No. Now the second task is for Dennis to make his Labubu take the MBTI test and let
So
me
you're
know.
gonna look for the same.
Yeah, I'd let him take it later and then I'll tell you what his MBTI is.
Feeling ko ang makakatiis sa akin is ISFJ or
Ano yun?
INFJ.
INFJ.
INFP or INFJ.
My ex was an INFJ and we've been together for like 5 years. So, yeah, INFJ.
Wow!
5 years. That's long.
Am I supposed to be scared for that? Like, is it gonna be like 5 years expiration date?
No. It was not a tragic breakup. It was
Mutual,
It's very
immature decision. Okay.
Very
Okay.
civil break.
Good night, guys. Thank you so much. Hope you do your assignments, Dennis. You let him.
I will.
Yeah.
Serge, thank you so much for your time and your quality talk. Please let me know kung kailan ka pupunta, ha?
So sabi ko na, pero yung uncertain day, yeah, I'll see you. Because I'm gonna be there for 2 weeks.
Togol, dito lang.
Probably. Because sa tingin malapit ako sa Tagaytay, ayoko na mag-Tagaytay. Like, every time na umuwi ako, dun ako lagi. Sa condo.
Wag na di yan, nakakaano naman. Minsan ka lang uuwi dito, kukulong ka pa sa bundok.
Gabi yung kukulong naman sa bundok.
Hindi, I mean, Tagaytay is a nice place, pero yung galing ka sa UK, tas hindi ka lalabas, hindi ka makikipagkita sa mga
And
tao.
then, like, whenever I go home,
If you're
always
ENFP, you don't want to talk to
I always go
real
to different
people, not
country, like
duende.
Singapore.
Live as an
Let me tell you my
ENFP,
story first.
Serge.
What?
Let's go to the beach, eat. Nah, just kidding.
Yeah.
Sige, sir.
I always go to different country naman. Alright, see you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, thank you.
Guys. Good night. Hindi pa ako inaantok kasi grabe yung tulog ko. Tulog lang ako ng tulog, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Kimberly. I love you. Thank you, Miss Bev. I love you po. Good night. Hindi nakakaantok yung antibiotics. Kumukulo nga yung tiyan ko eh. Tapang ng antibiotics. Thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed today's... I don't know. I love going live with Serge. Siya lang makakalabas ng ganitong kalandi-landi moments ko. I love it.